Is it necessary to join aviation institute in order to become a cabin crew? No, you need not to join any aviation institute in order to become a flight attendant. It's not a requirement, but your choice. If you think you are not capable of enough of becoming a cabin crew, only then you can go for it. A certificate from aviation is not at all something you need. And had it been essential, the airline companies would have mentioned it as a necessary element in the requirement section. So, in a nutshell, without a certificate too, you are eligible to appear for interview.